identified as being involved in an assault, like you told you. Okay, and that's why you're here. What we'd like to do is like to talk to you about it. Okay, basically to give your side of the story, whatever that may be. There's a large number of witnesses. Okay, and it's up to you to give your side. We don't have all the answers. We only have one side of it. So before we do speak to you, I have to read your rights to you. Okay. How old are you, Alberto? 28. Okay. Did you graduate high school? You read and write English?
Yes.
Okay. Well, maybe it's smart answers that some people do. So. Okay, these are rights I'm going to read to you, okay? The rights are made silent. You speak and read English, you're fine?
Yes.
Okay, I mean, you speak fine, I'm just making sure. Your rights are made silent. Anything you say you can will be used against you in court of law. Your right to speak to a lawyer who is present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any questioning, if you wish no expense to you. You decide any time to exercise these rights, must stop answering questions at any time or consult the attorney for answering further, even if you sign this waiver. You understand your rights? You have any questions about your rights at all? Okay. Like I said, I want to discuss this. Where I sign it. You're living on Rio Grande still, you said, right? How long have you lived here for, you think? It's not bad. I'm familiar with the property, that's all. Right here's where you would sign. Okay. Look at that now. Jesus. So how you doing with that? What do you do with that thing? Yeah. Now, like I said, we'd like to speak to you about this incident, nothing else. In order for us to do that, you have to check that top box, which would be without an attorney. Okay? Like I said, you can at least listen to what we have to say, and I can let you know what these witnesses said, and then you can, if you decide to, you can tell me your side of the story, and then it's up to you. You know what I mean? In order for us to do that, like I said, it would have to be that top box. You have to check that. You understand what I'm saying?
That's uses speaking upon me. So yes, that is, if an attorney is present, I can speak upon you. If I don't have an attorney, then
I think
I'm just talking upon my word.
what Chris is saying to you, Alberto, you have to meet you Alberto or Alberto. What Chris is saying is, we got 3 different people that came up and gave us a story. He gives a description of a person who was close to you. We stopped you, we brought them there, and they said stuff about you. Now, what Chris is saying is, for you to hear what these people are saying, what we can tell you that. You don't have to say nothing. Nothing. You check that block without an attorney and just sit and listen to us, and at the end say, hold on, you're done. There ain't nothing else being said. Once you're finished, you're finished. But if you don't even get to hear what we say.
answer that person?